The ACTBEST Core Electric Bike for adults represents a bold entry into the electric bike market, combining robust performance with practical design to cater to both casual riders and more serious enthusiasts. With a peak power output of 1200W from its brushless motor, this e-bike promises a thrilling ride while maintaining a level of accessibility that makes it suitable for various skill levels. This review will delve into its features, performance, design, comfort, and overall value for money. Starting with the motor, the ACTBEST Core is equipped with a powerful 1200W brushless motor that delivers impressive acceleration and hill climbing capabilities. This motor is designed to provide a top speed of approximately 28 miles per hour, making it one of the more powerful options in its class. Whether you're commuting to work, tackling steep inclines, or just looking for a fun ride, this bike offers the necessary power to meet those demands. The motor operates quietly, allowing for a more enjoyable riding experience without the disruptive noise often associated with traditional combustion engines. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its range. The ACTBEST Core is fitted with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, which can provide up to 40 miles on a full charge, depending on the rider's weight, terrain, and riding mode used. With multiple power modes to choose from Eco, Standard, and Sport, the bike allows users to customize their ride experience based on their preferences and requirements. This level of versatility is especially appealing for those who may want to conserve battery life for longer rides, as they can switch to a lower power setting when necessary. The bike's frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, making it both lightweight and durable. Weighing in at approximately 60 pounds, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and manageability. The design is sleek and modern, with a minimalist aesthetic that appeals to a wide demographic. Available in several colors, the ACTBEST Core also features adjustable handlebars and a comfortable saddle designed to reduce fatigue on longer rides. Comfort is paramount when it comes to electric bikes, and the ACTBEST Core does not disappoint. The bike is equipped with a full suspension system that absorbs shocks effectively while riding over uneven terrain. This feature enhances overall ride quality, making it suitable for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The 26-inch puncture-resistant tires provide excellent traction and stability, further enhancing the rider's confidence on various surfaces. Braking performance is another critical aspect of any e-bike, and the ACTBEST Core comes with hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power. These brakes work seamlessly in both wet and dry conditions, ensuring that riders can stop efficiently even in emergencies. The bike also features integrated LED lights for enhanced visibility, making it safer for nighttime riding. Assembly is relatively straightforward, with most components pre-installed. Users can expect to spend about 30 to 60 minutes putting together the bike, depending on their mechanical aptitude. The included user manual is clear and concise, with detailed instructions that guide you through the process, from attaching the front wheel to adjusting the brakes. One of the more unique aspects of the ACTBEST Core is its digital LCD display, which provides real-time information on speed, distance traveled, battery level, and power mode. This feature adds a tech-savvy element to the bike and allows riders to monitor their performance easily. The display is intuitive and easy to read, even in bright sunlight. In terms of value, the ACTBEST Core Electric Bike is competitively priced considering the features it offers. While it is not the cheapest option on the market, the performance and build quality justify the investment. Riders looking for a powerful e-bike that can handle a variety of conditions will find the price to be reasonable given the benefits it provides. In conclusion, the ACTBEST Core Electric Bike for adults excels in combining power, comfort, and versatility. With its robust 1200W motor, impressive range, and thoughtful design features, it caters to a wide range of riders. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or exploring, this e-bike ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience. 4.